Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to Squarespace. Alright, so first up, log into your Squarespace account and select the correct site. Now, once you're in here on the site dashboard, just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on the gear icon or settings icon. Now go ahead and click on third-party tools. Click on it. Now go and select extensions. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, use the search bar and type down LiveChat. Okay, there you go. As you can see here, it is available. Just click on it. And then once done, go to the left panel and click on connect. All right. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just gotta click on allow and log in with your LiveChat account. Now, once that's done, as you can see here, we are being redirected to our LiveChat dashboard. So what we'll do in here is just go back, extensions. I'll click on connected extensions right here. As you can see, LiveChat AI-powered customer support is now connected. All right, so another connection method is by manually using the code injection. Okay, so go ahead and open up your website or edit the site right here. And then again, click on edit like so. And then just go ahead and add in a block, embed or code, edit. Now let's go ahead and go back to LiveChat right here. Click on the gear icon. Now we have installed LiveChat in here. Click on it, copy the code, go back to Squarespace, paste that in here. And then once done, just go ahead and tap away. Okay, as it says here, embedded scripts, just click on preview and safe mode. It should pop out right here if you got the premium version of Squarespace. After that, just click on save and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.